they want to date them but they don't want to marry them.
सो हाय गाइस, आई एम फ्रॉम फिल्टर्ड माइक. सो आज का जो हमारा क्वेश्चन रहेगा, क्योंकि जो भी क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं वो हमारे आज के यूथ के रिलेटेड रहते हैं, ठीक है. तो मैं आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ, व्हाट इज़ योर ओपिनियन अबाउट रेड फ्लैग एंड ग्रीन फ्लैग इन अ रिलेशनशिप?
Every guy is a red flag.
एवरी गाय,
तो परसों ही ब्रेकअप हुआ है.
ओके. सो एवरी गाय इज अ रेड फ्लैग एंड आप
कुछ भी पूछोगे रेड फ्लैग.
For now on, मुझे हर बंदा रेड फ्लैग दिखेगा.
एंड व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट?
Miscommunication.
Miscommunication. And what about you?
Red flag, mainly the miscommunication and if you can't be loyal for a long time. If you are in a long term relationship और still सामने वाला loyal नहीं है तो.
And if you are in long-term relationship and he still give up on you without trying once.
Okay. And what is the green flag? जो आप देखना चाहते हो अपने अपकमिंग फ्यूचर पार्टनर के लिए?
He was a really good person
Okay.
and he treated me very well, but it's just he gave up on me, and that is the thing. A guy should not give up on you. At least
Okay.
try once.
Okay. And the thing is, जैसे कि आजकल देख पा रही हूँ, मोस्ट ऑफ द गर्ल्स आर बिकमिंग मैन हेटर्स. एंड इतना भी आप मेरे को बता दो कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि लड़कियां मैन हेटर बनना चाहती हैं एंड दे अवॉइड डेटिंग?
Because I also hate men, because of the thinking, because of the things we are every day we show. Like if you are roaming around, everyone will stare you for no reason.
Yeah.
That bad stare everywhere you go, they will taunt on you. That every girl's DM with our comment and all those stuff. So this is why mostly girls started hating everyone.
Okay, so it makes girl uncomfortable. Yeah.
Uncomfortable और in a relationship लड़कों को communicate करना ही नहीं आता. Okay, what is the basic thing और ढंग से communication ये चीजें
Like the bare minimum, they are on.
हाँ,
They are not even
even
giving.
understand what is the bare minimum.
Okay.
And if they are treating you well, they are like, we are giving you the princess treatment.
Okay. And there is a big difference between princess treatment and bare minimum.
Okay, that's a pretty well answer. And one more thing, any bad experience लड़कों को लेके आपके दिमाग में?
For me, there was no bad experience till now.
लड़कों को लेके not
लड़कों को लेके like कहीं पे not even in a relationship everywhere कि the main question is why they are becoming man haters. Any bad कुछ भी कोई bad
Childhood
experience?
trauma. Maybe every girl out there once in life got harassed by any man.
like if you are in a
I
public
also-
place or something like we also suffer this
Even
kind
your
of thing.
known people, your close one, every time. Even I also got harassed when I was very young
Okay.
by my own relative who was very close to me. So
Oh.
this was the thing. I feel this is the worst thing for any girl, and this is the main reason for men.
ये तो हुआ है like, when you are traveling publicly in a bus or something like some random guy want to touch you and these kind of things. That is really
Okay. So this is the main reason. Yeah, this is a really very big thing for girls nowadays facing. और ये ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी से ही स्टार्ट हुआ है, बहुत लंबे टाइम से ये चीज़ें हो
Just
रही
we
हैं.
can speak about
Yeah.
it.
But yeah, today's generations know, they are educated, they are everything, तो वो स्पीक आउट कर जाते हैं इन चीज़ों के लिए. बट द थिंग इज, जैसे कि अभी रिसेंट जो हमारे इंटरव्यूज रहे हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ द गाइज आर मोर बॉर्न इनटू विलेज गर्ल्स. दे थिंक कि जो एजुकेटेड लड़कियां रहती हैं, दे आर मोर स्मार्टर, दे मोर वेल
they were more feminist and all.
या
The
ऑब्वियसली.
main reason I got hated by men because I can raise my voice. I can
Okay.
tell them what you should not have told me what to do, what to not. If I always get hate about this, they started not liking me those things. So this is the thing that men started going to those village girls and
Like
who
you said
cannot
कि,
speak for themselves.
guys like the visual girl because they think they are more sophisticated, they are more manners, we can introduce their families, but मुझे लगता है कि अगर कोई लड़की
they don't
cities में
want
रह
to
रही है तो
date
वो नहीं है ऐसी किसी से हम
They
family
want to
that
marry
is
them, but they
really-
don't want to date them.
they want to date them but they don't want to marry them.
दिस इज अ रियली वेरी बहुत बड़ा जवाब रहेगा उन लड़कों के लिए जो जिनका ऐसा माइंडसेट है.
कि इन्हें गर्लफ्रेंड तो ऐसी चाहिए जितने ये बहुत फुल्ली मॉडर्न चाहिए बट इन्हें वाइफ ऐसी चाहिए जो बहुत ही सोफिस्टिकेटेड एंड
Look,
वो
any boy.
कि
वो
बोले
कभी किसी विलेज गर्ल को डेट नहीं करना चाहते, पर शादी सिर्फ विलेज गर्ल से करना चाहते हैं.
Yeah, that's a big. रीजन बिहाइंड एंड वन मोस्ट लास्ट थिंग जो आप लड़कियों को बताना चाहते हो, एक कोई भी ऐसा चीज़ की जो लड़कियां आजकल लड़कों को लेके बहुत ऐसा माइंडसेट रख रही हैं, मैन हेटर्स बन रही हैं, तो उनको अपनी तरफ से कोई चीज़ बताना चाहो?
What I feel now that everyone is not bad. Some
There
are
are some
good
good guys
people.
as well.
They
If
will
you find
treat
a
you
good-
well. They will, like, not all men are same, but still be
There
aware.
are some.
Be
There
aware.
are some that are also good.
Yeah. So thank you so much.
Thanks for watching Official Unfiltered Mike. We hope you enjoyed today's real questions and real reactions. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.